Lemon balm, Melissa officinalis, is a small, creeping plant in the mint family. With fragrant lemon-scented leaves and pretty flowers, it smells divine and is a natural beauty. But it's also no slouch in the health benefits department, either. Native to the Mediterranean region, lemon balm has been used for centuries as a culinary herb in natural medicine. In recent years, lemon balm has also gained attention as a potential treatment for anxiety disorders. It's believed to improve mood and cognitive function, while reducing feelings of stress and tension. But this isn't just wishful thinking. So let's dig in and look at this mind-easing plant. Lemon balm can be used fresh or dried in food and medicinal preparations. You'll find it in plenty of forms, like teas, supplement pills, and essential oil. If you're the DIY sort, you can buy a lemon balm plant or seeds to grow your own. There are several varieties of lemon balm as well, including Aurea, All Gold, Compacta, Citronella, Quedlinburger, Variegata, Lemonella, Lime. All varieties of this herb contain many terpenes and flavonoids, antioxidant substances, thought to be responsible for lemon balm's anxiolytic, aka anti-anxiety effects. However, each type has its proprietary mix of these compounds, which may impact its cost and effectiveness. Once in the body, lemon balm is believed to work by inhibiting certain brain chemicals and boosting calmness. Anxiety is a general term for experiencing a range of fears or worry-based reactions to stressful situations. Symptoms may include worrying about the future, feeling on edge, being tense, trouble concentrating, feeling scared, intrusive thoughts. These symptoms can lead to physical responses like accelerated heart rate, rapid breathing, sweating, and fatigue. Experiencing these feelings throughout life isn't always a definite sign of anxiety. But when these responses become excessive or chronic, interrupting daily activities or diminishing your quality of life, that's when you might be entering the anxiety disorder territory. Studies show that lemon balm may help reduce anxiety symptoms by elevating mood and reducing levels of stress hormones. Additionally, lemon balm has been shown to improve cognitive function and reduce feelings of stress and tension. So, if you're feeling pretty confident about lemon balm's effectiveness, incorporating it into your self-care routine can be super simple and rewarding. Here are some suggested preparations and dosing. Aromatherapy. Apply a couple of drops of essential oil to your pulse points, or put a few drops into a diffuser. If applying to the skin, remember to dilute with a carrier oil first. Tea. Steep 1/4 to 1 teaspoon of dried lemon balm in 1 cup hot water. Food. Add leaves or powdered lemon balm to the dishes you prepare. Capsules. Take 300 to 500 milligrams, 1 to 3 times per day. Tinctures. Take up to 60 drops per day. Extract. Use 300 milligrams twice a day for 15 days for anxiety, or 1200 milligrams once daily for stress and tension related to premenstrual dysphoric disorder, PMDD. While research suggests health benefits, the FDA doesn't monitor or regulate the purity or quality of essential oils. Therefore, it's important to talk with your healthcare provider before using essential oils, and be sure to research the quality of a brand's products. In addition, always do a patch test before trying a new essential oil. Medicinal lemon balm may also be available in other formulations, like syrups, bath products, salves, steams, and more. You won't have to wait long to start feeling the soothing effects of lemon balm. Its anxiety-reducing influence may be noticeable within as little as 1 hour. The anti-anxiety effects of lemon balm could last about 4 to 8 hours. But it's impossible to pin down exact timeframes, as your body's biology and the type and amount of lemon balm you use to make a difference. Okay, this was some information about this unique plant and its use for a calmer and better quality of life. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.